Today, we will talk about how to raise the height of a table. Let's have a look at the details. Raising your table can be a simple project with the right tools. You can add lifts, feet, or extensions to your table legs to make the table taller. Wooden extensions can be added to your wood table to add height to the legs. Alternatively, you can replace your table legs entirely to make sure you get the height that you want. The first method is adding extensions. Prop up your table with bed risers. To make your table taller in a hurry, purchase leg extensions or bed risers to place under your table legs. Attach bun feet to the bottom of a wooden table. Buy 4 bun feet with pre-installed hanger bolts from your local hardware store. Extend the height of a metal table with PVC pipe. Buy PVC pipe that has a diameter of 2 inches, 5.1 centimeters, from your local hardware store. The second method is attaching wooden extensions to the table legs. Find short wood pieces roughly the same width as your table legs. Visit your local hardware store to shop for short wood pieces to extend your table legs with. Turn the table upside down and make the center of each leg. Drill holes and hammer T-nuts into the bottom of your table legs. Insert hanger bolts into the center of each piece. Hanger bolts are essentially screws with bolts on the end of them. Attach each leg extension firmly and make sure the table is even. Carefully screw the bolts protruding from each wooden extension into the hammer T-nut on each leg. Sand around the area to make the legs look seamless. Use a piece of 100 grit sandpaper to smooth the surface of the wooden extension and the bottom of the table leg. Continue sanding until the line where the two parts meet looks seamless. Apply paint or wood stain to the extensions to match the table legs. If possible, find the same paint or wood stain that you used to decorate your table to cover the extensions. And the third method is replacing your table legs. Measure your table height to see how tall the new legs should be. Turn the table upside down and remove the legs with an electric drill. Sand and shape the new legs. Finish the legs with stain, lacquer, or paint optional. Place your table legs on a large plastic sheet or another clean surface that you don't mind staining. Use a clean paintbrush to apply a stain, lacquer, or paint that matches the rest of your table. Allow the legs to dry overnight before attaching them to the table. Mark evenly spaced spots on the 4 corners under the table. Drill holes over the pencil marks. Use an electric drill to make small holes at each of these 4 points. Add woodworking glue to the top of the legs and screw them in. Allow the glue to dry overnight before turning over the table. It is best to let the woodworking glue dry completely before moving the table to make sure it bonds properly. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.